Hey guys, so Zoe here. So today we're gonna play this game called Cat Pound, and there's a lot of crazy stuff, and including annoying persons. Can you sit back and maybe like the video and subscribe? So we're gonna play this game, as you know, Cat Pound and there. But to those, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. So let's go. Hey guys, so today we're playing this cat pound game instead of the dog pound game. So if you hear this rain background noise or this electric fan noise, just know it's really hot in here, and I don't know why I'm doing it in a rush, but my cats are favorite. Cats are my pets. I'm gonna attack this guy because he's trying to hurt a cat. Ow! Yeah. Oh. It's gonna block. Taser. Oh my gosh. Yeah, help me. Oh. I don't know what I'm doing, but okay. I actually don't. So, is there anyone stuck in this cage? Okay, someone got stuck. I like this guy or girl, I'm sorry. This is literally my dream, but no, I don't want to lock cats. I want them to be free. Oh my gosh, the rain is so annoying. I'm gonna literally kill the clouds. Oh my gosh. Nothing is gonna do that, by the way. I'm escaping. I don't care. I'm buying Robux. Oh my god. Yeah, he's dead. That's not good. So I know. Who's the employee of the day? Let me. Okay. Okay. Just so you know. Is he nice? Hello. He's a nice guy. Why are they killing them? Oh, look at that picture. Oh my gosh, Rain, can you shut up? Oh my, no hate to any name Rains out there. talking about the weather. Arnar, they're stuck. Arnar! Arnar! It's an orange cat. Guys, type in the comments what's your favorite cat breed. Mine is Siamese, Persian, literally almost everything. Or just everything, I guess. Okay, let's see. Ah! A key card. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's that stupid cat again. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry. I mean, no. Die. Look at that. No. No, 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 no. Go! Go, girl! Go, girl! Yeah! Let me out! I'm eating this food. Yeah. I spent Robux, by the way. Oh! You came back? I hate this game. Okay, that's it. Bye, guys.